Hello, welcome to part 2 of converting length. In our first video, what we did was we converted yards into feet. Now what we're going to do is we're going to convert feet into inches. Now again, in your notebooks, you can go ahead and copy this down in your journals. You can label it feet right here. Go ahead and draw another rectangle. This one whole rectangle is going to equal 1 foot. 1 foot equals 12 inches. So you will go ahead and draw another rectangle underneath the 1 foot, exactly the same size, and cut the pieces up into 12 pieces. I'm sorry, you cut the bar into 12 pieces. Each piece is going to represent 1 inch. 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, and so on and so forth. All totaling up into 12 inches. So right now go ahead and pause the video and jot this down on your notes. Now, just like in the last video, I'm going to give you an example question. How much is 2 feet in inches? Well, if you remember again, we had set up our little table. So here, let's draw a table. And let's label this side of our table feet. And the other side is going to be our inches. Now, what do we know? Buddy says that 1 foot equals 12 inches. Now, again, if I have 2 feet, how many inches would that be? Now, again, just for a good visual, you can go ahead and you can draw a rectangle. That rectangle can represent 1 foot. 1 foot is going to equal 12 inches. So again, if you cut it up, 1 piece, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And although they're pretty much not equal pieces, but you can get more or less of an idea that each piece is going to represent 1 inch. 1 inch, another inch, another inch, another inch, another inch, and so on. All totaling up into 12 inches. Now you can have the other rectangle here, and again this is going to represent 1 foot, and you can draw another rectangle below it to represent your inches. And to save time, we just know that that blue bar is going to represent 12 inches. So how many total feet do you have? Well, I'm missing 2 feet. Here it is, 2 feet. Now, just add up how many inches do you have. 12 inches plus another 12 inches would be 24. So I have 24 inches. 2 feet is equivalent to 24 inches. Now, what would be the quicker way that we had learned in the video? The quicker way would be to get 12 inches, multiply that by 2 feet, which would still give us 24, not feet, but inches. So let's go ahead and let's try another one. Let's say this time I have 3 feet, and I'm asking you how many inches would that be? Well, we can do the same thing. We can write it in a sentence first to help us organize our information. We can say, alright, I have 3 feet, and that's going to equal, I don't know how many inches. That's going to be a mystery. So what do we know? I know Buddy says again 1 foot equals 12 inches. So we can go ahead and we can multiply again. We can get our 12 inches, multiply that by our 3 feet, and let's see what our product is going to be. 12 inches, we multiply that by 3 feet. Now if we do our lots of love that we know, 2 digits by 1 digit, 2 times 3, that's 6. 3 times 1 is 3. So it'd be 36 inches. 3 feet will equal 36 inches. So I go back to my table and I fill it in, 36 inches. Now again, this time, what if I were to ask you, okay, I have 9 feet, and let's say I have 9 feet of ribbon, and I'm asking you how many inches is that ribbon? How would you solve that? You can pause the video and solve it on your own and press play, and you can check our answers together. So hopefully you set it up like this in your number sentence. You said 9 feet equals I don't know how many inches. But I do know from Buddy that 1 foot equals 12 inches. So then what I'm going to do is, or what you should have done is, you should have gotten your 12 inches, multiply that by your 9 feet, and your product should have been, let me write it here, 12 inches times my 9 feet. We all know that 9 times 2 is 18. I carry the 1, I circle the 1. 9 times 1, 9, plus 1, 10. It should have been 108 inches. And there's your simple conversions.